Well, good evening, traders. Welcome to another session of the Asia session powered by StrategyVault Pro. This is James with StrategyVault. Real quick here, taking a look at the markets. We got about 2 minutes until this session opens. What a day. The market has pushed up for most of the day. I do have to advise you, this is for entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Entertainment purposes only. Okay, so looking at the chart, let's see what we see. Okay, we have a high at 29,956. I'll tell you what, I bet throughout the week that they push that, they break that 30,000 level. If they don't do it this evening. So, let's see. Here's what we'll do. We'll just wait for the markets to open. And we'll see. So, what they may do, they may manipulate down and then push up. Or they may flush it down, take out these lows. You have highs up here and you have lows down here. Actually, already pre-marked on the chart here. See, it's broke out of this range. It was in this range. It is trying to... I'm not convinced that that's a breakout of that range. 2 minutes market open. There we go. I'm sorry, 2 seconds. Market is now open. Let's see what they do. Like I said, they may push down, take out these lows, and manipulate it, and then push it right back up. So here we go. There's a push down. So real quick, make sure that you turn on the notifications if you want to continue joining us for the live Asia session trading. Of course, please give us a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm and gets more people involved with us. So... And any other information in reference to StrategyVault Pro or our Facebook group or a page and all that is in the description below. So now it's going to be interesting. See, we got a bunch of chop in this area here. Like I said, I foresee. Here's what we'll do. We'll just go to a 5-minute chart here. Look at that 200 way down here. That's a long ways away. But really, you don't have any patterns at the time. You don't have a double. You kind of got a double top right there. Very small, not very recognizable. So, and as you can see, we're making higher highs on the 5-minute chart. Like I said, they may push it right back up. You have the daily close at 29,860. Go ahead and blow that chart up. So we'll just let it see. We'll see what it wants to do. See, it's pushing right back down. Right back inside that range that we marked. I'm going to push down, take out these lows down here. Only time will tell. Right at the VWAP. So what we'll see how this first 5-minute candle plays out. You've got 1 minute and 20 seconds on it. Like I said, or we may just get a bunch of chop. Just gonna be patient. See which way the market wants to go. Really haven't made any lower lows. Got that pivot right here at the 830 level. Oh, there it goes. It broke it. But once again, you've got that VWAP. See, I'm not convinced of anything right now. So if we break the 860 level, all right, so our first 5-minute candle. There's 50. Let's see if we can get a buy notification to generate. And here's what I'm looking at. If we don't break that 60 level, I'd be not looking for a long. And then if we break below the 830 level, I'd be looking for more movement to the downside. But right now, looks like a buy is trying to generate. Remember, it has to stick. Like I said, I bet they want to push it back up to at least the daily close there, the 863. Definitely just have to be patient. We need to break out of that. There we go. There's our 860 level. Now we need to break that close. See, this is why we be patient. Nice little pullback there. See, it went right to the daily close. Really nothing. Got the middle of the previous 4-hour candle way down here. Wow, that's a huge 4-hour candle. So we are right back inside of that range. We'll see how this candle closes out. Right back to that. Oh, it pushed. That was a nice push. Tried right through that VWAP, but right back up. And they're trying. The 5-minute chart just is ugly again. Hey, so while we're waiting, I wanted to make a note the other evening that so we talked about Trump in peace talks again over settling the war and how oil went down. Typically, when that happens, the NASDAQ will rise. When oil plummets, the NASDAQ will rise. I'm sure a lot of you already know that, but just tidbit of information. So we bounced right off of that. So we've talked a lot, and we got plenty of time to talk now. Just waiting about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And right now, this looks to me like it's going to accumulate. I'll show you once again. So this is the Asia session so far that's opened up here. And it went down, up, down. This is accumulation if it does this number. Okay. Then it breaks down. This leg down would be manipulation, and then push right back up. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So another thing, actually we'll just leave this and see what it does. Is it going to sit here and continue to accumulate? So, and of course, it can go the opposite direction. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So right now we just need to see which way it's going to go. There's just nothing right now to get excited about. Oh, nice. So I'm just going to kind of leave that, and let's see how if the market falls, what the market does. But they've you need to realize that also all this here, they may have accumulated enough. So is this line going to be perfect? No, I doubt it. But as you need to train your eyes to see this. This is also so that it accumulates for a while, and then this also is a coil or a spring. And they say a lot of times when it does this, it will shoot one way or the other out of that spring or coil. There's just nothing here. There's a buy notification trying to generate again. So here's what I would be looking for. Like I said, we talked about the 60 level. If they, or this previous close here, it's about the 60 level. So if it breaks that with momentum, I'd be looking for more movement to the upside. Now, if price breaks the 830 level, with momentum, I'd be looking for a more push down to the VWAP, and then if it breaks these moving averages with momentum, I'd be looking for more movement to the downside. But I don't believe we're going to get that movement to the downside. We'll just go ahead and take these out of the way. There we go. See the chart a little better. So when the market does this number here, this is where people get ate up. And also, as you can see here, our moving average, our 9 moving average, how it's just red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Pushed right back to the high of that range that we drew out. We got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see how it closes out. It's getting ready to do something. It's getting really tight. Getting really tight. So you've got about 1 minute and 40 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Right up here's the high of that 5-minute candle. Are they going to try to break that? We'll see what happens. All right, here's the last minute of that 5-minute candle. Remember what we discussed, what they love to do on that last minute on a 5-minute candle is try to push it up right back up there. And there it goes. But it's got to break that. So that was oh my goodness. And right back down. See, this is why we stay out of this. This is chop. Like I said, it's getting ready. It should do something here soon. Unless it just wants to continue to accumulate. Remember the levels that we discussed. 30 level. Look for a push down to at least the VWAP. And then the 60 level. If it don't break either one of those levels, I would not get involved. Entertainment purposes only. See, it's right back inside that pre-drawn range that we drew out. Like I said, this is how a lot of people get their accounts blown. Just chop like this. Oh, there we go. Now it was trying to push a little higher. Trying to break out of that. It needs to break out of that. Like I said, it needs to push above that 63 level, 63, 64 level with momentum. Got about 1 minute and 53 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. And the 5 minute, oh boy, let's just go look at the 5 minute chart. It just is ugly. Look at this. Look at the wicks on each side of these 5 minute candles. You can't trade this. I mean, I guess there's people out there that can and do, but I have no interest. Eventually, it's gonna break, and it looks like it wants to push to the upside. So now, remember, it's got to break this level right here. Once again, we talked about 60 or 63 with momentum. It needs to push through here. But like I said, if they put another wick on this, it's going to be ugly. Nothing but a bunch of chop. Are they going to break out? Oh, there we go. Now we're getting a push. If this candle can close fully, then I would look for a push above this level. If it closes with a decent wick. Not this, or this, or this. Well, big body and a small... There we go. There it goes. Or it's trying. Remember, we need to break this level with momentum. Let's go back to that 1 minute chart. Take a look and see what we can see. It tested it. That's what it was doing. It was testing it. Got about 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle. These next three can be bullish candles. We might have some game going on. A lot of times you just have to wait, and that's part of it. A lot of times the best trade is not to trade. Minute and a half. We'll see what happens. Right back down. Well, we'll see. Like I said, the last minute, it's typical that they try to push it back up. Oh my goodness. So here's the thing. we'll hang around another half hour. If this doesn't get any better, we're not going to stick around. And neither should you, unless you're good at trading trash like this. Last minute of the 5-minute candle. Let's see if they try to push it up and break this high here. 864. And see what kind of wick this candle has on it. There we go. Now we need to break through this level here. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, wow. And right back down. Let's see if we can... Okay. I'm going to see if I can ride it up. I'll probably hope I don't. There we go. Break that 70. All right. I don't know where it's going. But, okay. That's okay. So, let's take a look. Now that we're getting some movement, let's go take a look and see where we could go. I see the 575's the level. Yeah, we need to break that 575, and then I would be looking to 980. We need to break that 980 too. There's 75. Okay, I'm gonna get in on that pullback. And I'm gonna go back to my 1-minute chart so I can see information here. Let's see if we can break that. Got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Whoa. Come on. Push it. It may go, it may just go against me. Come on, push. Push it. I'd like to see it push to the 80 level. I don't know if it's going to. Got a minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle. I don't like that. There we go. Push. Come on. Ooh, they're gonna probably put a wick on it. Come on, push it up there. Come on, push it up there. Come on. It is slowly grinding up. I don't like that. Three minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Push it back up. Come on. Being patient. Got 2 minutes left. We need to get to past that 70 level. Minute and a half. And I don't know. This may. Oh. And it's going against us. Wow. Okay. Look at that. That's okay. We'll see how this candle forms. We do have a buy or sell notification that has generated, but you need to pay attention to this moving average here, the VWAP that's here. So it needs to break those if we're looking for more movement to the downside. You know, and this could also be making just a new higher low. And then push right back up. Like I said, that 5-minute candle is just ugly. Pushing right back down. If we can get through these levels here and right back up. Got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Now remember when it pushed all the way down here, 29,837. Remember I talked about the 830 level. It needs to break that. And I would be looking for more movement to the downside. And it's rejecting. Like I said, it may just be trying to make a new higher low. Oh, wow, there it goes. Wow, look at that. Remember, the 30 level. It's pushing. Oh, wow. Look at that. See if we can... If it breaks, we'll see if we can write it down to take out those lows. I don't think it's going to. Getting an ugly wick on that 5-minute candle. But we are getting a sell notification to generate. Actually, let's just go to the 5-minute. I can show you what we're seeing here. There's that 30 level. I'm going to jump in and see if we write it down a bit. Take out those lows. Nice. Look at that push. Let's go. Let's break. Take out that low. Come on, push. Oh, wow. Push. We're just watching it. See what it's going to do. It may go right back against us. And look at that. Wow. This market. See, this is why I prefer the 1 minute chart. Information, I would have saw this, but it didn't give us that, you know. Right back inside of that range. Right at that VWAP. Oh my gosh. This is another ugly 5-minute candle. Just being patient. Well, I don't know what they're gonna do. If we could get a flush, would be really nice. That 30 level, we talked about that 30 level, but it's gotta open below that 30 level. Or close below that 30 level. Come on, flush it. Flush my gush. Or whatever. Just a flush. We just want a flush. Who cares? If we could break that 20 level. Oh my goodness. Minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle. Is she gonna push for a new lower? Break that 20 level. Oh my goodness. Back to that 30. And right back up. See, this is Wow. Alright. This is ridiculous, but that may be a double bottom right there. This is just a bad day. A bad evening. And now we're getting a buy notification to generate, but it needs to break those levels. Seeing right back down. Needs to break the 50 level if we want to go more. If I expect it to move higher to the upside. There we go. Now we're breaking them. Let's see if we can ride this up. It may go turn against us. There we go. Now, this level here, 864-ish. Watch that level. We could break that level with momentum, I would stay.
YouTube.
Oh my goodness. This market is something else. And it may push right back up. There, it broke. Okay. But I don't trust it. Don't trust it. It pushed. We got a new low. No, we didn't. We have not gotten a new low yet. See, it hasn't broke the 800. And it hasn't broke outside of the range that we pre-drew. This is the low of the range, and this is the high of the range. So, once again, it's doing exactly what we talked about at the beginning of the session. It's accumulating. And then, remember, we talked about manipulation, a push down and then a push right back up. It's still in the accumulation phase, just by looking at it. See this right here? It needs to break out one way or the other. So we're back at that VWAP. You got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. I'm going to see if I can write it down. It may go against us. All right, we'll take that. Pushed right to that. That level right there. 811. And bounced right off of it. Okay, a new 5-minute candle. I'm going to write it down and see if we're going to finally break. It may just go right against us. Push. All right. If we can break this level with momentum, but you've got this low over here, this is just, it needs to break the 800. And then you got these lows over here. So you got these lows and then these lows. So it'd have to break the 790. I think if we can break that 790, I would be comfortable with riding it down to 780. But look at what it's doing. You got about a minute and 50 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. So think about this. Is this the manipulation move and then it's going to push up? Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes out. I guess we lost our music.
Premium is ad-free YouTube and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app. So
That's what it was. The music. New 5-minute candle. Look at that. I'm going to see if I can ride that up to the VWAP. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. It's just too wishy-washy. And look at that. It's pushing back down. Like I said, the VWAP's right there. The 14 EMA has crossed the 20. So in actual reality, be careful if you're in it. Oh, and it's blowing right through it. Well, will it go through these levels here? Like I said, is this our manipulation move? And then it's going to go up. Minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle. See how it forms out. See right off of that level there. Oh my gosh. This is, yeah. What do you do? What do you do? Right back down. See, that's what we were talking about. These levels here, the VWAP, the 14, the 20, they're all in line for a push down. New 5-minute candle. See if I can write it down a little bit. I don't know. Oh my gosh. We were there. We can get a push down. Push down there again like it did. Push down to that level again. Oh my goodness. 1 minute left on this, 1 minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle. And oh my goodness. Look at that. This is ridiculous. All right. There's just nothing here. This is we should have got out a long time ago. That's all right. But we're definitely going to be done for the evening. This market is just terrible. So, with that being said, everybody, thank you for being here. We will be back tomorrow evening. Same time, same place. Everybody have a good evening. We